Looking at this video, you may or may not be wondering why I'm wearing a sweater and yet the fan's going off and the sleeves are rolled up. That is because it is much colder outside than it is inside. I think they started the heater and they started it too high and now it's boiling in here. So we're supposed to talk about childhood and show childhood pictures, except I don't have any childhood pictures with me because, yeah, I'm at college. My childhood isn't exactly one of those things that has a lot of things that are photograph worthy, though. I had a few pictures, but again, they're all either at home or at my grandmother's house. I do, however, have a story, and it's about space camp. When I was younger, my entire family went on a ski trip except for me. They didn't want to take me because they thought I was too young, and my mom told me that if I let myself stay home, then I would get to go to space camp. So, like any self-respecting kid should, I said yes. And so I went to a mother-daughter space camp with my mother, in case you didn't realize that from the context. And there were a lot of things that you would do there, like you do this anti-gravity thing where you're inside of 3 loops and you spin around in all directions and you feel like you're gonna be sick but you don't get sick and it's really weird. And then there is the experiment in the International Space Station where you basically just made jello. Anyway, my mom and I were really good at the space stuff, so we got special awards and everything. We got an award for like being the best mother-daughter pair out of all of them, and we were very proud of ourselves. And since then I went to space camp 2 more times, and then I went to aviation camp, which is like Air Force camp, which is talking about military fighting planes and crawling through mud and eating bugs and stuff. All of those were very fun things to do. And I know that this video is probably going to be boring, but to be honest, I have too much to do to make a video today. All I could think about was space camp, because while I did a lot of things when I was a kid, like I went to Disney World, I went to Mexico, I of course went to space camp and aviation camp and regular summer camp and a bunch of other things, but I can't really remember any specific moments that are worthy to be put on the internet and watched by however many people will eventually watch this video. Which, I'm gonna be honest, is always probably going to be in 2 digits. So maybe I shouldn't even be thinking that much about it. Anyway, I have to go because I have to work on a project and this video is gonna be really short. Bye!